Hey travelers, if you love exploring new places but dread the high cost of flights, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the best hacks to find cheap flights anywhere, anytime, so you can travel more and spend less. Let's get straight into it. 1. Be flexible with your travel dates. First up, flexibility is key. Flying midweek instead of on weekends can save you a lot. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are often cheaper, so try shifting your dates around a bit. Also, if you can, consider traveling in the off-season. Not only are flights cheaper, but you'll avoid the big crowds too. Win-win. 2. Use flight search engines now. Let's talk about search engines. Websites like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Kayak are lifesavers. They scan multiple airlines and show you the best deals. But here's a tip. Always check several sites because prices can vary. Sometimes you'll find a hidden gem that others miss. 3. Set price alerts. Don't feel like checking prices every day. Set price alerts. Apps like Hopper and Skyscanner allow you to track a route, and they'll ping you when prices drop. This way, you can relax and let the deals come to you. 4. Consider budget airlines. Budget airlines like Ryanair, EasyJet, and Southwest can be fantastic for cheap flights. But remember, they come with extra fees for things like baggage and seat selection. Just keep those in mind and pack light to really make the most of the low fares. 5. Use Incognito Mode or clear your cookies. You might have heard this one before, but it works. Sometimes, airlines use your browsing history to raise prices on routes you've been eyeing. Use Incognito Mode or clear your cookies to prevent that, and make sure you're seeing the best deals. 6. Look for alternate airports. Flying into or out of a major airport isn't always the cheapest. Sometimes, a smaller nearby airport has better deals. Just be sure to calculate if it's still worth it after factoring in transport to your final destination. 7. Book early or very last minute. Okay, here's the tricky part. Sometimes booking 2 to 3 months in advance gives you the best price, especially for international flights. But if you're spontaneous, last-minute deals can also be super cheap, especially with charter flights. Just remember, this one's a bit of a gamble. 8. Use frequent flyer miles or credit card if you're not earning points or miles yet. You're leaving money on the table. Sign up for frequent flyer programs, even if you don't fly often, and consider a travel rewards credit card. Accumulate points and redeem them for flight sits, like traveling for free. All right, travelers, those are my top hacks to score cheap flights, anytime, anywhere. Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more budget-friendly travel tips. Safe travels, everyone.